Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Go Access Chapter 2 Grader 2F Homework Student Publishing. So, if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So we can move to the project step. So step number one is a start access. Open the file student access to a student publishing. Download with this projects. Go to the access file. I have already downloaded the access file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is a import the record from the downloaded Excel file. Name is A2F student paper access. New table is the name is 2F students paper in the database. So import the file is 2F students paper. So import the file Excel file. Go to the access file and go to the external data tabs and go to the imports and link groups. Click the new data source from file and click the Excel and import the 2F students paper Excel files. The browse and go to the access the 2F students papers and click open, click OK. So the use the first row of the Excel worksheet as the tables is the column heading. So the checkbox is the first row of the Excel workbook is the table column. So select the first row contain the column heading is the checkbox and heading and set the paper ID is the primary key. Click the next and again next and choose my own is the primary key and paper ID is the primary key. Complete the visit and do not save the import step. After the importing the records, open the 2F students publishing table and change the data type is the students and set the paper ID primary key. So choose my own primary key, click on next and new table name is the 2F student paper. Copy the 2F student paper. Import to table is the 2F student paper. Click finish. And complete the visits. Do not save the import step. So do not save the import step. Click close. And after the importing records, open the 2F student paper tables and change the data type is the student's ID is the student ID to the short text. So insert the 2F student papers table, double click and open the students 2F students paper and open the 2F student table and change the data types of the student ID the short text. So right click and click the data sheet view, sorry design view and student ID is the short text. Select the student ID and like arrows key and click the short text and apply the best fish to the tables and save and close the table. So it clicks and click the save and close the tables. Save and close the table. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is a using the publisher ID common fields create a one-to-one, one-to-many relationship between the 2F publisher table and then 2F student paper is the tables. Use the publisher ID is create one-to-many relationship between 2F publisher table and the 2F student publisher tables. So select the 2F student. Use the publisher ID is the create the one-to-one is the 2F publisher tables. So select the 2F publisher tables and many relationship is the 2F publisher table is the 2F students paper tables. So go to the create tabs and go to the database tools and click the relationships. And relationship is table 2F publisher and 2F students paper. So double click is the 2F publisher, create the 2F publisher tables and next is 2F students paper. Move and drag the 2F student paper and for the refreshable integrity of the neighbor both the caches option and create the relationship reports with the normal margin and then save the report is 2F relationships report and close all open the objects. So go to the access files and relationship is the publisher ID. So relationship is the using the publisher ID is the many to many relationship between 2F 2F publisher table and 2F student paper tables. So select the enforce refreshable integrity and caches updates related fields and last is cache delete related records and click OK. So click the create. So the relationship is create relationships reports with the normal and create the relationship reports and click the relationship report, create the relationship reports with the normal margins and go to the margin is the normal and then save the report is 2F relationships reports and close all open the objects. So copy the 2F relationship reports is save the reports, the right clicks and click the save and paste this report name is 2F relationship reports, click OK and close the all open projects. So click the close and save and close the table. So, question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is the create a query in the query design view based on the 2F student papers table. Answer the question: what is the student ID, home campus, award period, and publisher ID? What is greater than 50? Sorted is the ascending order of the students' fields, and display the field is the order listed in the question, and 5 record is the criteria save the query is the 2F, award is the 50 or more a query. So create the query designs, go to the create tabs and go to the query designs. Click the query design view is the based on 2F students paper and answer the question and what is 2F students paper table. Move and drag the 2F student papers and what is the question is the student ID, home campus. Move the student ID and second is the home campus and third is the award pairs. Third is the award pair and fourth is the publisher ID. Select the publisher ID. Publisher ID for a award greater than or equal to 50 and sort the seating order of the student ID field and display the field order listed at question and 5 question is to and award the greater than or equal to 50 is the sorted order is the student ID fields. So publisher ID is the publisher ID is the for award is the greater than or equal to 50 is the sorting access files and select the publisher ID. Select the publisher ID is the so select the award period and award period is the greater than is equal to 15. So select the criteria is the type is type greater than is equal to 50 and sorted the ascending order is the student ID. So sort the student ID is the ascending order. Ascending order is the student ID and display the field order listed in the question and 5 record is the criteria and go to the run. So the cross table is the no showing. So the display the field in the order is the listed question. No heading. Crossable is the row heading and click the run. Sorry. 5 the match and criteria and save the query is the 2F awards is the 50 and more query. Copy and select the query 1 is the save is the 2F awards is 50 or more query. Click OK. So question number 4 is complete. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.